The sky was full of balloons, drifting higher and higher, colors glowing like candy in the air. Bluey pointed up, her eyes wide. "Dad, look at them, there are too many." Dad scratched his chin, grinning. "Maybe if we catch one balloon, everyone watching has to like and subscribe." Bluey wagged her tail. "Deal, let's get the first balloon now." They ran into the yard, balloons spinning above their heads. One blue balloon floated down. Bluey jumped, almost caught it, missed. Dad laughed. "Good try, kiddo, another is coming." A green balloon dipped low. Dad stretched, grabbed it, handed it to Bluey. She cheered. "I got one, that means they have to subscribe." More balloons swirled like a rainbow storm, twisting in the wind. Bluey barked, "We can't let them escape, let's catch them all." Dad winked, "Then let's go full balloon hunters." They chased across the grass, bumping into flowers, rolling, laughing, paws grabbing for strings. Every balloon danced away like it was teasing them. A red balloon zipped past Bluey's ears. She leapt, caught the string, spun in circles. Dad clapped, "Nice catch, but look up there." A giant golden balloon hovered above the roof. Bluey gasped, glowing brighter than the sun. Dad muttered, "That one looks special." They dragged a ladder, scrambled up. The golden balloon floated higher, always just out of reach. Bluey shouted, "Wait, don't fly away." Dad stretched his paw, broom in hand, almost touched, but the balloon darted sideways. Bluey laughed, "It's playing games with us." Dad nodded, "This balloon has tricks." Neighbors gathered, clapping, pointing, kids shouting, "Catch it, catch it." Balloons of every color poured down, flooding the street. Bluey spun, strings wrapping around her paws. Dad caught 3 at once, both of them tangled and laughing. Suddenly the golden balloon dived straight toward them. Bluey reached out, touched it. A flash of light burst across the sky. Balloons exploded into sparkles that drifted down like glowing snow. Everyone gasped, eyes wide, clapping louder. Bluey held the golden balloon in her paws. It pulsed like a heartbeat. Dad knelt beside her. "It chose you, Bluey." She whispered, "Really, it picked me." The balloon shimmered, words glowing across it, "Keep chasing joy." Bluey's tail wagged so fast she almost lifted off the ground. The golden balloon floated up again, then melted into light, disappearing in the clouds. Bluey looked at Dad. That was the best adventure ever. Dad hugged her tight, and the best part, we did it together. Balloons still drifted above the street, soft and gentle now. Bluey grabbed one more, tied it to her paw. "This one I'll keep forever." The crowd cheered, shouting Bluey and Dad the balloon catchers. They sat on the porch as the sky turned orange, balloons fading into the distance. Dad whispered, "Remember today, the chase, the laughter, the joy." Bluey nodded, tail thumping, "I'll never forget, Dad." She looked at the camera, smiling bright. If you love chasing balloons with us, don't forget to like and subscribe, because next time we might catch something even bigger than the sky.